This is Andrew Stotz of Stotz Investment Research talking about world-class benchmarking. In this case, I'm looking at PT United Tractors in Indonesia. So let's get some background on the company. PT United Tractors was founded in 1972. They distribute heavy equipment used at mines, plantations, construction sites, and in forestry. It is the sole distributor of Scania, Bomag, UD Trucks, Tadano, and Komatsu. It also does contract mining support through PT Pamaperasada, which is providing design, exploration, hauling, and other mining-related services. Let's take a look at the company in more detail. Some trading information. The market cap of the company is about $6 billion and average daily turnover is about 7 million. Beta is a 1.1 and the company is listed in the energy sector. It's 59% owned by PT Astra International and it has a 39% free float. Let's take a look at what's going on. United Tractors business can be divided into three main segments. First one is construction machinery, and that's the company's core business. UNTR acts as a sole distributor of heavy equipment and spare parts. From Komatsu, UD Trucks, Scania, Bomag, and Tadano, that's where they get the spare parts, and that's what they're selling for, which all produce construction, mining, military, and industrial equipment. The company is the largest distributor of heavy equipment in Indonesia, and Komatsu has the largest domestic market share. Mining contracting business, the biggest revenue contributor, is conducted through a subsidiary, PT Pamaperasada, and that unit carries out mine design, exploration, extracting, hauling, and also transporting commodities. It helps mine owners from the first step of mining design to expansion and marketing. Mining is conducted through the subsidiary PT Tua Turang, and the subsidiary holds many coal mine concessions with total reserves of about 400 megatons. The coal quality ranges from medium to high. So let's take a look at the revenue breakdown. We can see as of first half 2016, mining contracting was 51%, construction machinery was 30%, and mining was 14%. Domestic market share, Komatsu 34%, Hitachi 18%, Caterpillar 17%, and others 31%. So let's look at the company's world-class benchmarking. And first we start off with the chairman of the company, or as called in Indonesia, President Commissioner Prijono, and he's been the chairman since May 2005. And Joko, who has been the CEO and the president director from May 2007 to April 2015, with an incoming CEO as of April 2005, Gideon Hassan. So let's take a look at the performance. We're going to look at the performance first for Joko and then for Gideon. And we can see that the profitable growth ranking has been about 3 for the last 5 years. Occasionally it was ranked number 2. That means the company ranks among the best 96 of 320 large energy companies globally. Let's look at profitability and growth, and we can see that profitability fell 1 step but is still good at 3. Growth has moved around average, slightly above, slightly below right now. So to understand further, let's look at profit margin and see that it still is green, and we see profit margin is 2, which is excellent. Actually, the company's improved from a 4 to a 3 to a 2. Utilization has also improved from a 5 to a 4, and so both of those are above average. If we look at sales growth, what we can see is that sales growth is about 3. Where the struggle is right now is margin change. Remember, in order to get growth, that means earnings growth, you've got to have sales growth and you've got to have improvement in margin, or one or the other. And in this case, it's the margin that's squeezing right now in the prior 12 months. And that's ranked number 7. But overall, a pretty good performance, ranked number 3 in profitable growth. So sign up for our newsletter and become a founding member at becomeabetterinvestor.net/join. Founding member subscription will close on the 31st of December 2016.